Hi there and welcome. As the title says, today we are going to be making Totchos, aka Tater Tot Nachos. We're going to cook the tater tots up in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is get our tater tots into that air fryer. Now I'm not going to be making this whole bag today. I added about half a bag of the tater tots. Now let's go pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to take the basket out, give it a good shake, put it back in, and let it resume cooking for the remaining time. So while we're waiting for the tater tots to finish up, I'm going to show you what you are going to need for these tater tot nachos. You can either use your homemade chili or your favorite canned chili. I'm using the can today. Not necessarily saying that's my favorite. I have some nacho cheese sauce, some pickled jalapeno slices, which is this stuff right here. I have some chopped up green onion. Going to need a little bit of sour cream. And as soon as them tater tots are finished in the air fryer, I'm going to season them up with some Lawry's seasoned salt and garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper. I knew I was forgetting something. I'm going to add a little bit of crumbled bacon to our tater tot nachos. Now it's time to move back over to the air fryer and give them tater tots a nice shake. Okay, our 15 minutes is up. Our tater tots are finished. I'm going to pour these in my bowl here and season them up. Off camera, I went ahead and warmed up the chili and the nacho cheese sauce. We are ready to put this all together. Here are a few other air fryer recipes I think you would like to check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.